Dear student, today we are going to perform an experiment of titration through which we will find the molarity of this unknown solution of KMnO4 with the help of the standard solution of Mohr salt. You can see this solution is of Mohr salt whose molarity is known. With the help of this solution, we will find out the molarity of this KMnO4 solution, right? What will I do? First of all, I will take 20 ml of this Mohr salt with the help of pipette. How will I take it? You will see. I will chuck it through this beaker, and there is a mark, as I have told you in previous classes. Up to this mark, it is 20 ml. How will we chuck it? You can see. Now it is more than that of that sign. We will pour it down. Yes, this is 20 ml Mohr salt solution, which I am going to pour it in this conical flask. This conical flask is also known as titration flask, because you can see we will perform this titration in this particular conical flask. I pour 20 ml Mohr salt on it, and then after I will add 20 ml of dilute H2SO4 solution. Dilute H2SO4 solution 20 ml, or you can say 1 test tube, right? I add 20 ml of H2SO4, dilute H2SO4 solution on it. Now I will pour this KMnO4 solution from this burette, in which there is a sign of the volume. Now I am going to pour it. I will pour it and stir it, and you can see the color of KMnO4 is disappearing when I am mixing with Mohr salt solution, and it will disappear up to that time until whole the Mohr salt will not react it. Actually, KMnO4 is strong oxidizing agent. It is oxidizing it. Mohr salt means ferrous ammonium sulfate. The ferrous sulfate will turn into ferric sulfate through this reaction, and when this color of KMnO4 will appear, that will be the end point of this particular experiment. You can see I am pouring this solution dropwise, and its color is getting disappeared. Now you can see the color of KMnO4 is getting disappeared. When its color will appear on it, that will, as I have already told you, that will be the end point. Means it will give us one observation which we will use to determine the molarity of unknown solution. Now you can see still the color is disappearing. Now you can see the color of KMnO4 has appeared in this solution, permanent color of KMnO4. This is the end point of this experiment. This is the first observation. We will repeat it at least 3 times, which will give us the initial reading, which was initially there. Now the final reading, that how much KMnO4 has been used to react with 20 ml of Mohr salt. Through these observations, this was the first. We will repeat it twice or thrice. Through that, we will find out the volume of Mohr salt, KMnO4, through which we will find out the molarity of this particular solution. How will we find out? I will explain it in next video. Thank you very much.